How you doing, everybody? Today I wanted to show you the Keystone Arcadia 27 SBH. What makes this unit really great is that it's smaller and lightweight and can be towed with a smaller pickup truck like a Ford F-150 or a Ram 1500, GMC 1500. You don't need a big truck to pull this thing, and that's what makes this really nice. I wanted to show you first off is the big storage compartment that we have here. I mean, this thing is enormous, and you can put a lot of stuff in there for camping, a lot of gear. Golf clubs, fishing gear. You can almost fit a canoe in this thing. If you come over here in the back, you have even more storage right here. And those who buy the Arcadia also get first and 10. You don't need a football anymore, folks. And also, I'd like to point out this awning here is almost a full-length awning. Huge area for shade and camping. It's going to provide a lot of coverage for you at your campsite. It's LED lit. You have a nice big strip going underneath it. Really nice ambiance at night when it's lit up. You have 2 outdoor speakers, so if you have a TV or a radio, you have entertainment out here. So really nice feature to have. You come around the front, you got your road armor hitch. You have more storage in the front. Your battery will go in the front, and you can also put a spare tire or some other tools and whatnot in the front there. Come over on this side. Now you have one on each side. This is your propane. You have one here, one on the other side. And this is your other pass-through storage. So get through it from either side, which is real nice and convenient. There's your power cord. All your hookups are conveniently located right here in your pass-through, which you can feed through underneath to make it a nice clean connection. And everything is locked up, comes up through here, and everything's nice and secured. You don't have to worry about anybody messing with any of your power or your water connections. Come over on this side, so you'll notice all the seamless windows around the Arcadia, which makes it really nice and sleek. There's no more frames, it's just a seamless window. Now you come around the back here, there's a few features I like to point out. You have your ladder hook up there. It's a Lippert ladder. You can actually have a ladder that you could store away and have access to your roof. You can get up there and perform all your maintenance and check seals. This is your backup camera right here. It's camera ready, all ready to go for you. You have a service outlet right here. It's 50 amps when you're plugged into shore power at your campsite, right from the back. And you also have a trailer hitch. Really nice to have for another vehicle to tow behind here to have firewood or extra luggage or bikes or even other equipment that you're bringing. All right, folks, now that I've showed you just about every feature on the outside, I'd like to take you on the inside and show you how beautiful and spacious this thing really is. We'll start up right here. In the kitchen area, you have plenty of countertop space to do your cutting, your chopping, your slicing, prepping your food here. You have a 3-burner propane stovetop and oven. You have more counter space over here, and you have one nice size stainless steel sink with a gooseneck faucet. So it makes it easy for cleaning dishes and getting water out of here. They also provide you with a lot of cabinet space here, and they're deep. So you can put a lot of cups, dishes, silverware, anything you're gonna need, food, canned goods. Some more drawer space. You got 4 drawers down here, and then you got some more cabinet space there under the sink. And then back here, you have your bunk area. This is where the kiddies are going to sleep or your guest. Holds 300 pounds each bunk, so full-size grown-up can fit in these bunks easily. And then they provide you with some storage on the right here. Let me give you a look. Open them up. You can hang some clothes in there and just put your shoes and some clothes. And over here you have a refrigerator and freezer. Plenty of space, plenty of food storage for your entire family. Nice U-shaped dinette here, which also turns into another bunk. So if you have a friend, your kids have friends, you have a friend coming over, you could turn that into another sleep. Then you have a sofa over here, which also pulls out into another bed. So you can pull this thing out and you can turn it into another sleep. So you can fit a lot of people in here, and there's a lot of space. There's one slide over here, which gives you a lot of elbow room, a lot of room to walk around, cook, sit, watch TV, enjoy yourself, on those rainy days. Now towards the front of the unit here, we have the bathroom shower. And we have the sink over here, all in one. Nice stand-up shower. Plenty of room. It's got a skylight, so those tall folks that need a little, and I'm not one of them, but some of the folks are pretty tall. They give you a little dome in here to give you a little bit more headroom, so lots of room in there. Best feature is the bedroom. This thing is it's fully walkable around. You can walk around the whole thing. You have power on each side, and you have USB ports in the middle. You can charge your phone, have a clock, have a fan, whatever you want to plug in. You have a little storage down here for whatever you want to store at night. Over here, you have more storage space, another closet that you can hang your clothes up. And then you got 3 deep drawers here for all your clothes. Well lit. TV would go over here, which is not provided. You get to pick your own TV. We'll mount it up for you, and the connections are right here. You can lay in bed and watch a good movie and enjoy yourself. This is a great unit. Everybody, thanks for watching today. If you were interested in coming down and taking a look, I'd be glad to show you. We're at Colton RV in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania, right off of Route 512 and 33. Easy to get to from anywhere in the valley. You want to call me directly, my number is 610-863-5239, and I'm an extension 817. You can dial me directly. I'll be glad to help, answer any questions you have. But come on out and see it. It's a great unit, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Take care.